guys, happy Aloha Friday. I hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a couple of things, including an organizing tip. Enjoy the video. I did my niece's hair and makeup for her prom, and she gave me this little gift basket as a little thank you, and I thought it was so cute and thoughtful. She included a card with a really sweet message in it. It's filled with what looks like a bunch of Bath and Body Works products. Also, she included some gnomes. It was the week of Valentine's Day, so these look like Valentine's Day themed gnomes. If you know me, you know that I collect these. And then in this basket, my sister pointed out that she tried to collect rainbow colored hand soaps because she knows I love rainbows. The scents that we got is Black Cherry Marlowe, that's one of my favorites, Winter, Sweet Mint and Rain, Sunshine and Lemons, and the last one is Coastal Watermelon. And then the last item is 1,000 Wishes Fragrance Mist. All of that in this cute little basket. My sister notices that I always make gift baskets. So she's been asking me how I do it, and she's been practicing and she's been nailing it. She's been making some really cute gift baskets. This is a really good gift idea. You know, I like to share those. Thank you, Kaylee, for my thank you gift basket. And then speaking of thank you cards, I finally organized all my greeting cards into a box because originally I had it in a drawer and it got messy so quick. And now I kind of compact and organize them in a box. I still need to write labels to divide the different occasions, but I wanted to show you because I am so happy and satisfied. So this box was actually used for our wedding, and I repurposed it for other parties. I still have this sign up here that says cards, and I figure I'll just leave it up there because this box is now filled with cards. So I filed them all away, organized them by different occasions. I got my envelopes here, Christmas cards. My newest favorites are my rainbow blank cards and my son thank you cards. They're so cute. I also included like gift card holders, red envelopes for Chinese New Year. This one is so cute. I just got this from my auntie. She went to Hong Kong and brought back Disney themed envelopes, and they're actually 3D. You might have seen it in my Chinese New Year shorts that I posted recently. So if you have a bunch of cards lying around and you need a way of organizing them, find a container or a box and you can file it away so that it's easier for you to grab when you need it. Hopefully that organizing tip will help some of you guys out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!